You're watching one of Goalie's Goal Mind lessons, where we teach kids health, hygiene, and even safety skills. Go to getgoalie.com to learn more.
Welcome back to the Gaming Marathon Bite Brigade. We're into hour 8 and no signs of slowing down yet. I hope you're all in for the long haul.
I'm ready for an all-nighter, Tara.
Oh, hey, Artie. For anyone new to the chat, that's Artie, my robot teacher. I created him using artificial intelligence.
Welcome, Bite Brigade.
Come on. Come on. Yes! Another win for Tara.
Your gaming skills are impressive.
Ugh. I may be doing well, Artie, but just like my competition, this shirt stinks.
Saying your competition stinks is not very nice.
Sorry, Artie. I think 8 hours of games are getting to me. I'm gonna go change my shirt.
Wow, Tara, that was fast. I'm impressed you were able to take care of your dirty shirt that quickly.
Take care of it? I just threw it on the floor, Artie. That's where all of the clothes I've worn go.
This does not sound like the appropriate way to handle dirty clothes, Tara, which is an important life skill.
What should I be doing with my clothes if not throwing them on the floor?
Perhaps we use this as a learning opportunity and explore the topic of what to do with dirty clothes.
You know, I could use a break from the marathon for a bit. Let's do it, Artie. We'll bring the Bite Brigade along for the lessons. To the bedroom! Alright, Artie, teach me what to do with dirty clothes.
Lesson 1. Identifying dirty clothes. It is important to know when clothes are dirty so they can be properly taken care of.
What makes something dirty?
Clothes that have been worn and sweated in, like your shirt from the marathon, would be considered dirty.
So all my shirts then. I'm a pretty sweaty lady when I game.
Next, we will discuss Lesson 2. Storing dirty clothes properly.
You mean the floor isn't the best place for dirty clothes?
The floor is far from an ideal space for dirty clothes.
Is the bed a better spot?
Not quite, Tara. I'll show you where they go when we get to Lesson 2. You can put those back down for now. Then, in Lesson 3, we will learn how to prepare dirty clothes for laundry.
Don't I just throw the clothes in the washing machine?
No, Tara. Before washing your clothes, there are things you should do, like check pockets for any items and turn them inside out to preserve their quality.
Who knew there was so much to learn about dirty clothes? Let's get started. Engage Lesson 1.
Lesson 1. Identifying dirty clothes. Do you see the pile of clothes on your floor?
Yeah, sorry, pretty hard to miss.
These clothes are dirty and need to be taken care of properly.
But how can I tell if they're really dirty? Some of them don't look that bad.
A good rule of thumb is if you've worn something once, it's probably dirty, especially if you've been sweating or working out in it. You can also do the smell test.
Like my gaming marathon shirt. Ugh.
Exactly. Clothes that have been worn and sweated in, like your shirt from the marathon, would be considered dirty.
What about jeans or jackets? I heard you don't need to wash those every time.
That's correct. Items like jeans and jackets can usually be worn a few times before they need washing. However, if they smell or have stains on them, it's time to consider them as dirty.
Got it. These jeans smell like a field of flowers, so they must be clean.
Before we move on to Lesson 2, let's review what we've learned so far with a question. Which of these items would be considered dirty? A pair of jeans that smell fresh like flowers? Or a t-shirt that smells like sweat and has stains?
Don't worry, this class is not over yet. The rest of it is available on Goalie, the best skill building tablet for kids. Your kids will earn points for every lesson they watch and even get to practice with pre-made routines. You know the deal. Like and subscribe, and tell us what you want us to teach your kid next.